And our ad is going to look like this. For the most part, we want to also add an image. You can add an image if you want. It's a great way to increase the relevance of your ads itself. Um, oh, here we go. So here's a predefined image, or generate your image using a some AI. So a plumber, in-house, well-lit, working. And then simple square. No, we want to do all aspect ratios. All right, let's do that. And let's see what it gives us. So this is using Google's latest AI to basically generate the images for us, right? So once it generates, we're going to go ahead and select it. Maybe it'll take about a minute or so. All right, perfect. All right, this one looks fun. All right, there you go. Looks like a someone out of a adult website. All right, that's gonna be our plumber for today. Oh, it's selecting that one. We don't want the sad family. We simply want this one. And there we go. Actually, this might be a good idea. Like put in images that are a little bit exaggerated, like get images that get people to click. So there you go. You learn something fun for today. Get images that are like kind of aggressive. These kind of images, maybe even a female in some like really skimpy clothing that Google Ads will generate for you for your niche, right? So maybe I'll test that as well. So keep that in mind. Actually, just out of curiosity, I'm sure you guys are curious as well. Let's actually do that. A plumber, female, in a house, well lit, working, uh, shorts, tight shirt. Let's see if we can get away with that. Keep in mind the people that do make phone calls on your ads are typically seniors, so it's you have to keep that in mind as well. But let's see. Okay. All right, so not bad. So you just keep playing with the algorithm a little bit and should I like that. Perfect. That's our plumber for today. All right. So we literally have two plumbers, probably from like an adult website. There you go. OnlyFans Plumbing.